bottle. Very much the same concept, but I can take this water balloon and force it to enter into this jar. Who thinks I can do it? Who thinks I can't do it? Who thinks it won't go inside there? Or who thinks it'll explode before it gets down in there? Okay? What actually happens is a chemical change. We know that fire is a chemical change, right? We talked about that yesterday. Fire is a chemical change. If I catch the classroom on fire, somebody call 911. So fire, you gotta listen to me. Fire is definitely a chemical change. We know that. We're aware of that. If we watch this match burn, I can't ever get it back down. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to catch my paper towel on fire pretty good before I put it down in there. If you don't, then it'll smother, and we may have to do this twice, because if it smothers. Okay, so I'm going to put it down in my bag. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Suction.
What's happening?
It's getting stuck.
Whoa! Give it a second. See, do you know what happened? What happened? If my balloon had been just a little bit smaller, it would have sucked it all the way through. So let's try it again. See if I can get it out. That's okay.
What if you can't get it out without busting?
That's okay.
Ms. Logan?
Yes?
I think the fire went out because of lack of oxygen.
You're exactly right.
Ew, it does stink.
Alright, I gotta have scissors.
Have to have what?
Scissors.
Are you gonna cut it?
Kelsey, I want you to go to the bathroom and film. We're going to try our balloon and we're going to see if we're successful. Yes, you need to have your jar.
Because you never know when something can explode.
Jar could explode and
No, I just said that.
glass could get in your face. Okay, so I'm going to line an entire paper towel this time. And we're going to wait until the paper towel is pretty good and lit before I drop it down in there.
What
Okay?
does
So we're gonna
smothering
get-
mean?
Smother, it didn't have any oxygen.
Okay.
It didn't have any oxygen. Remember, fire, chemical change. Once I light this match, can I ever get it back to the
No.
original state? I cannot. An example, if I try to restrike, guys, this match, I cannot do it. Because the tip of this match has undergone a physical change. I can't reverse that.
What's the little
Can't reverse
thingy
that.
on the tip of the match called?
It's flint.
I don't know what
Alright,
that
here
is.
we go. So I have my chemical change. I'm undergoing my chemical change. I'm going to get my paper towel pretty good and lit this time so that we make sure it doesn't smother. So we're going to get it pretty good and going. Try not to burn my hand.
Don't burn yourself.
Just smothered.
Gotta get it.
It's wet in the
It is a little wet, so. No, it's not done. It's still there.
Can't you put a whole match in there?
You can blow on it.
Burn the school down. Don't do it. Alright, here we go. We're going to try lighting it in here and see what happens. You're not. I promise.
You don't know if we're gonna die or not.
Yeah, I do. I can see the future.
Nah.
I was talking to Miss Logan.
Alright, here we go.
What if it burns a hole in the balloon?
It won't. Okay. My jar is wet. Alright, we'll try. Well, it's starting to go. Starting to go a little bit. Starting to go a little bit. It's a smaller balloon. We're trying it again.
Oh, wait, no, it's going.
Is it going?
No.
Yeah, it's going.
Is it going?
No.
Yeah, it is. Barely.
It's going slow. But if we could have, if our jar was dry, we lit that, we should have gotten a very fast, it should have soaked it in very fast. Okay? So, now we're going to move on to the next thing. I'm bringing around just regular milk. Well, the very first one I'm going to do, I'm going to use an indicator. It's called phenolphthalein. Okay?
What's
I'm gonna take
phenolphthalein?
I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of just regular household baking soda. Okay? So 2 tablespoons of regular household baking soda. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 30 milliliters. And the tester.
Say hi to Nick.
I'm going to add about, I don't think we'll add 30.
I'm scared to know what happens.
Okay, so I'm just going to add a few drops, and we're going to see if this will be sufficient. It wants you to add 30 milliliters. 30 milliliters is a lot, so we may actually dump out quite a bit of our baking soda. You're going to get a chemical reaction with this. Who can make a prediction? What do you think is going to happen?
It's gonna explode.
Clear. Okay, I have clear, solution, and baking soda. Straight from the kitchen. Okay, so we think it's going to fizz.
It's gonna explode.
Think it'll catch on fire? Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of drops.
Why is it turning pink?
Why is it turning pink? Okay. Why is it turning pink?
It's turning into like a salt thingy.
Why is it turning pink? What's happening? I didn't put any pink Kool-Aid in there.
What'd you put in there?
Phenolphthalein, which is just an indicator.
What's a phenolphthalein?
Just oh, thank you. I heard it. What did somebody say?
Chemical reaction.
Oh, it's some kind of
Josie
chemical
said it
reaction.
first. I said it second.
It's some type of chemical reaction.
Why is it getting the texture of like oobleck?
Why is it getting a different texture? What do you think's happening?
The chemicals are reacting to form a different substance.
All right, so my chemicals, well, now I'm going to throw a bigger twist to this, guys. I'm going to throw a bigger twist to it. I'm going to put a test tube of water down in my bag.
Oh Lord.
Okay, I'm going to put a test tube of water down in my bag. But this is kind of tricky because I can't just dump my water in there. I actually have to seal my bag without spilling the water. Okay, so I have to get somebody to help me. Julie, will you help me? Okay. You have to hold the test tube through the bag. Okay, and now you have to hold it. Don't let it go, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm going to squeeze.
Yeah, you're gonna kill her.
Now she's safe. Okay. All right, so I'm going to squeeze the air out while Julie holds the bag. And we're going to seal it. It's phenolphthalein and baking soda. And then her test tube is just water. Okay, it's just an indicator. It's called an indicator. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to slowly empty the water into my solution. And then I'm going to walk around and let you fill the bag and see what's happening. Okay?
It's not joining together, it's separating.
Okay. It's not joining together. What's happening, guys? Look, what's happening? What's happening?
Looking at weird.
Okay, what's happening?
A chemical reaction.
A chemical reaction. Do I have bubbles?
No.
Do I have bubbles?
Yes.
I can't undo this, right?
It looks like this. Strawberry milk.
What do you think?
Only you would say that.
What is
So can I undo this?
What are you doing? Good job. Dalton.
Bentley still got to do his. He just carried it with him.
All right, Dalton. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Different method. Let's see what we get. Go, 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 go. Good job. Oh, excuse me.
Look, there's
All
Bentley.
right, Katie. 3, 2, 1. You better hurry. You gotta push them in there. Go, go.
Oh!
Oh, that was kind of good.
Bentley still got to do his. He used to carry it.
Oh, bird! I'm kidding, Katie. Not like that, but. Here, do you want it, Katie? Sure.
Taylor, did you get yours together?
Yeah, I did.
I let Bentley go.
All right,
He
Taylor.
already
Pick the ones off out of the ground. That's one guy down.
Well done.
Man, my hands are starting to get cold.